goodness. Oh, Cisco.
Can you pull that around this way? There we go. Oh.
It's
It's like, forget the toy, I want the paper.
like a kid.
Yeah.
It floats. Ah.
And so much for that. Let's go rip another one.
Onward bound.
Holy jeez. This is a really bad habit.
It is.
Yeah. This is a really bad habit we're creating. Yeah, pull that out here. Dada boy.
Oh,
Hey doctor, get in there.
look.
Get those fluffies. Get those fluffies. Get all those fluffies.
Who gets the best toys ever? Me? Can I take them over to Stowe Stella?
Right on. Ta-da! Show me that off, Cisco.
What have
Show
you
that off.
got?
Oh,
Hey,
yeah, that's the one.
there we
There
go.
you go.
Take that off in the corner. Here's poo.
What an assortment. Meanwhile, Doc's losing it over here with Mickey Mouse. Oh, guess what?
Oh my God, he's funny.
What?
How much fun is that? Woo! Hey, that was
Just
pretty
my
good.
eye. The emergency. Sometimes you lose your eye, Mrs. Ferris.
Well, my dog was
Yeah.
swinging it toward
Mickey.
it.
Holy smokes, huh,
Yeah,
Cisco?
I think that's the one.
Yeah. Oh boy. All right.
There's something about that one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna take that away.
You gonna take that one away? Hmm?